Hi guys, here's part 2 of my original video. Now I'm inside and it is raining like crazy. As you can see, it's better. It's worse. It looks worse in person. But on the camera, it doesn't look too bad. But I can barely see these trees in the back, and they're not that far away. It is pouring, as you can see on the deck, all over. It's crazy. Let's see, it's really blowing up the roof. This is what springtime does. Get that warmth and humidity, and then you get these thunderstorms. Definitely got windy. There's actively no warning. It's kind of surprising of how much rain it's been. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.